There are few who deny, and when I do I am the best, for my talents are renowned far and wide. When it comes to surprises in the moonlit night, I excel without ever even trying. With the slightest little effort of my ghost-like charms, I have seen grown men give out a shriek. And with a wave of my hand and a well-placed moan, I have swept the bravest off their feet. Yet year after year, it's the same routine, and I grow so weary of the sound of screams. And I, Jack, the Pumpkin King, have grown so tired of the same old thing. Oh, somewhere deep inside of these bones, an emptiness began to grow. There's something out there far from my home, a longing that I've never known. I'm the master of fright and a demon of light, and I'll scare you right out of your pants. The guy in Kentucky, I'm Mr. Unlucky, and I know throughout England and France. And since I'm dead, I can take off my head to recite Shakespearean quotations. No animal, no man can scream like I can with the fury of my recitations. And who here could ever understand that the Pumpkin King with the skeleton grin would tire of his crown? If they only understood, he would give it all up if he only could. There's an empty place in my bones that calls out for something unknown. The fame of praise comes year after year, but it's nothing for these empty tears.